One of the things Ella really wants is that you guys treat her just the same. So if you're like, want to look at our hair, whose hair are you going to look at? You're going to look at my head. You're going to look at mine, right? But this also, if you have questions about, hey, what does it feel like this Holloran? What's happening? Like, you can ask me, but you can also ask Ella. Ella's hope is that we just treat her the same. Am I still Miss Holloran?
Yes.
Am I still the principal of the school?
Yes.
If you make not so great choices, might you come to my office?
Yes.
So I'm still the same person, right? Even though I don't have any hair left, I'm still the same person. That's how we need to treat Ella. Give me a thumb up. All right, round of applause.